Welcome back to another reaction video. So this is a brand new video about Norway, a snowstorm. So I've done some videos on Norway. You can check out my playlist, and this one sounds very, very intriguing. It's a recent video about recent events though, so yeah, it's very interesting. You may have not seen it already yourself, or you may be, yeah, if you're from Norway, you would know about this. So this is everything is freezing in Norway. Everything. Historical snowstorm. So I suppose they're going to talk about if there's like, yeah, it's like the most snow ever. Like it's historical. Like it's going to break a record. It's that bad, is it? Is it that bad? Snowstorm. This is hitting southern Norway. Okay. So, I like doing reactions to Norway. If you can see my, see my playlist. There's been some interesting videos. Seems like a very interesting country. So, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. But we're going to get right into it. Let's go. So, historical snowstorm. Let's see.
Incredible footage captured in Norway on January 4th, 2024 showcases the country blanketed in heavy snow with the most extreme freezing temperatures recorded. Southern Norway...
Is that, like... Let me hear that again.
With the most extreme freezing temperatures recorded.
So, yeah, it's the most extreme temperatures that have been recorded? That bad? Wow.
Southern Norway, particularly Arendal, experienced a rapid accumulation of snow, reaching a thickness of 70 centimeters in just one day.
Did he say 70 centimeters of snow in one day? One day?
Reaching a thickness of 70 centimeters in just one day.
Wow.
And it's going to snow for another day and a half to 2 days.
Wow. Imagine living in these conditions.
Weather forecasts predict an additional 40 centimeters of snowfall, prompting the local government to close schools and kindergartens for safety reasons.
It's that bad. Wow.
The heavy snowfall has led to widespread disruptions, including paralyzed mail delivery, disrupted trash collection services, and chaos on the roads.
Like, how could you do anything? Like, all those general day-to-day things, like, yeah, getting your mail, like, the simple stuff. But when the snow is so heavy, it takes those things away. And that's, like, you can't control the snow. Wow.
Numerous vehicles have become stuck or skidded due to the treacherous conditions, leading to long queues and delays.
Not to mention your car.
Residents have been advised to work remotely to avoid the dangers posed by the severe weather conditions. The coastal areas are facing a more severe situation than the mountains, although roads along the coast remain operational.
Okay.
However, motorists are encountering long queues as they join escorted convoys.
Wow.
The aftermath of a snowstorm has left the southern part of the country in a state of blackout.
That's crazy.
Norway is preparing for even more extreme freezing temperatures below minus 25 degrees.
Nah, you did not just say minus 25 degrees. What? That's mad. See, I'm from Australia and we barely ever get snow. Like, you can go like to the mountains and those type of areas and there's snow, sure. But it's, oh, wow. Wow, it's so different. It's just a different experience.
For extreme freezing temperatures below minus 25 degrees.
25.
A new cold wave is expected to intensify the already frigid conditions, potentially persisting into the following week.
Put the captions on here, see if it picks up what they're saying. Nah, probably won't.
Og det ikke noe problem I det. Men når naboen har traktor... Ja, hva syns du om det her da?
Nah, it's not going to recognize it.
Jeg liker ikke vinteren. Aldri gjort.
Oslo, the capital of Norway, is bracing for historically low temperatures between minus 20 degrees and minus 25 degrees on December 30th.
Wow.
If realized, this would make Oslo the coldest capital city in 44 years.
Crazy. But see, this is real. What we talk about is real, is climate change. I talked about, I'm from Australia. We're in summer. So when I say it's different, that's expected. But literally, last couple of days, we've got heavy rain. It is not a normal summer. Climate change is real. I'm not one that's going to like be obsessive about that and push it. But it's evident. Whether you think about it or not, like whatever your opinions. Again, I'm not going to make it my whole personality about climate change, but I think it's very obvious. At least what I'm experiencing, and this is different. But so weather conditions are just getting more extreme. I've noticed that in recent years. And depending where you're from, it'll be different.
Climate researchers at the Meteorological Institute note that the last time temperatures were this cold in Oslo during January was in 1979, with a measurement of minus 24.4 degrees. The coldest ever recorded temperature in the Norwegian capital was minus 26 degrees in 1942.
See, look at the difference. Like, it's been this long. Why? Yeah. What's significant? You got to think about it. What is causing this? Everything that happens, for the most part, is something causes it. But what is it? Wow.
They cover vast areas, and their characteristics may change as they move away from their source region.
Wow.
The initial impact in Norway occurred on January 2nd, 2024, with temperatures dropping to minus 35.5 degrees in the far north and potentially reaching minus 40 degrees over time.
It's freezing.
Så da prøver man å bruke det man har, så jeg skal prøve å bruke.
Wow. Incredible. Incredible scenes.
Different regions within Norway are experiencing varying degrees of cold, with the eastern part and Trondelag region facing minus 30 degrees to minus 20 degrees, while western and southern coastal areas are expected to have milder temperatures around minus 5 degrees. Authorities are urging residents to exercise caution, advising them to stay at home and prepare for worsening weather conditions. Norway's neighboring countries, Denmark, Poland and Sweden, have also been affected, with southern Sweden and northern Jutland in Denmark possibly experiencing localized flooding due to extremely cold temperatures. Ferry operations between Sweden and Poland have been hampered by bad weather conditions, leaving thousands of Norwegians stranded in snowdrifts as they attempt to navigate the deep snow, burying their homes and vehicles.
Wow.
The situation remains challenging as the country grapples with the ongoing snowfall and record-breaking freezing temperatures.
Record-breaking, so it's worse than ever.
Ongoing snowfall and record-breaking freezing temperatures.
Okay.
Country gripping their homes and...
Yeah, this is record-breaking freezing snow temperatures. That's what this man just said. So, wow, I'd love to see the perspective of those of you, if you're in Norway, you're experiencing this. What is the situation right now? And you'll be in the prime of winter at the moment, so I know, hopefully you're dealing with it. If you're in the thick of this, I can't imagine what it will be like. Oof. Let me know. Let me know your experiences, and is it going to be getting better? It doesn't sound like it, but my point, as I was saying, is if it's been so long since it being this bad... Well, is it just the off chance? Oh, no, it's just a very bad winter. Is that the case, or is, something extra causing it? As I said, I feel like everything, especially weather-wise, it's caused by a change in something. But, yeah, it's... blows my mind seeing snow this incredible and it just impacting your day-to-day life. So as I said, hopefully you can manage with it and it doesn't last like this for so long. But if there's any other videos about Norway you might think I will think that's interesting, let me know. Subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you in the very next video.